Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Jordan 1s, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also Song of the Day. Gonna have to give it to The Voice by Lil Durk and Lil Baby. Amazing album, go listen to it. And yeah, let's take a look at these shoes. Alright, so obviously we're going to be taking a look at the women's Jordan 1s Core Purple. I was able to get these for retail off of the sneakers app, size 10.5. Retails $170, paid around $185 after tax and shipping and everything. And I actually got exclusive access for this pair, so that was pretty cool. And yeah, let's just take these out real quick. See, the paper has a Jumpman logo on it. And here we got the shoes. So first things first, I do want to point out quality on this shoe is actually very good. Like, you can literally see on camera like how tumbled the leather is right here, and it's just very soft. Even like on like the toe box right here and on like the siding, on the tongue, like all of the leather is just genuinely very soft and really good quality. Now there is one thing I don't like, and that is the metallic part right here. I don't know, I'm just not really a fan of it. I would have preferred if it was just like leather. I feel like it would have been a lot better. But that's really my only complaint with the shoe. Also, the inside of the shoe is actually very soft as well. You can actually see it right here. Very soft, and I really like this material right here. And you guys could probably see that the tongue is different on this Jordan 1. I'm not really sure why. It looks ugly in my opinion once you have it out like that, but I think it's gonna sit really well on your foot like once you actually tie it up and everything. So yeah, that change really wasn't necessary, but I can see why they did it. I just would prefer a regular Jordan 1 tongue. The shoe comes with standard white laces, but it actually does come with an extra pair of purple laces as well. And honestly, I think these purple laces are gonna look really good on the shoe. Retail was $170 and resale is around $200 to $220 as of right now. I do think it's gonna go down a little bit, but I feel like it's gonna stay around that price range. Again, this is like a really solid Jordan 1, and I feel like if you're like brand new to sneakers and you just want to start out with a really solid Jordan, this is a really good pickup. It also does help that these weren't too hard to get, and I feel like if you actually tried to get them, you had a really good chance. So yeah, I've never really said this before, but one of my favorite colors is purple, so I really like how they added a nice purple to like the Jordan 1 box, and just the purple all around it. Like, it looks so nice. The inside lining, like here, I was talking about it earlier, but I just didn't show off the colors enough. Like, look, it's just so vibrant and nice. You can also see a white Nike Air at the bottom right there. And I just think this is a really good Jordan 1 that they really nailed. So yeah, that's enough talking. I'm gonna just spin this shoe around for you guys so you guys can take a look at it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this Jordan 1. I think it's a really solid shoe, and you should definitely go and pick it up. It's also a Jordan 1, so resale will go up in the future. I don't think it will go too crazy just because it is a woman's shoe, but it will definitely go up. Oh yeah, and let's talk about sizing real quick again. If you are a guy, go up 1.5 sizes. So I'm a size 9, and this is a size 10.5. If you are a woman, just go with your regular woman sizing. You should be fine. Guys, also do remember that because it is a woman's shoe, it is a little bit more narrow. So for me, it does bother me a little bit right here. It's nothing crazy, but it's just kind of annoying. So yeah, that's pretty much everything you do need to know about this Jordan 1. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at this shoe on feet.